Fourthly, you need to work on your weak areas, like after doing assessments and after giving the test. Hello everyone, I am Nikita Saraswat, career psychologist at Toppers Academy. So today we'll discuss about that what are the best ways to do the revision. As you all know that while preparing for any competitive exam, the end revision is the must because you need to go through everything that you have read. So we'll start like few tips. I'll tell you few tips that how you can do your revision at the best level. So start with it. So first is that you need to organize your study material. Okay, you have the various study material during your preparation. So you need to first organize them that what are the most important ones and from where you want to study first. So first you need to organize your study material. Secondly, you need to create a study schedule that how much time you want to give to a particular subject, right? Thirdly, what you need to do, you need to break your sessions into your small chains. You have a lot and vast syllabus to cover. So what you need to do, you need to break those. On daily basis, you need to cover small topics so that you can achieve the end goal. So you need to break your whole syllabus into your small chains. Fourthly, you need to work on your weak areas. Like after doing assessments and after giving the test and all, you'll come to know, okay, that these are the weak areas where I need to work. So prioritize those weak areas and work on them during your revision period. Then you need to, what you need to do, you need to practice more and more mock tests, right? So for example, you have notes and everything, right? You are continuously studying them. Until and unless you are not practicing them, there is no point of revising them also. So what you can do, you can just take the quick revision of all the notes, right? And also try to make the short notes. So out of them, revise them and then practice those notes out of questions and your test series and all. You need to just work on your online resources. For example, you have your all the study material and all. Sometimes it happens you need more explanation and all. For that, you can go to the online resources. Later on, you need to work on your NCERT. As you also know that in NEET, that it is mainly focused on your NCERT. So you need to focus more on it. Each and every line and each and every word should be in your mind because it's the utmost important thing for your NEET preparation. Then what you need to do, you need to check on to the progress that you are making. As I already told you that after giving your test and all, you'll come to know that what are your weak areas, what are your strong areas, what are your strengths and all. So you need to work more on your weaker sections and you need to maintain the consistency for your stronger portion also. Later on, you need to keep your yourself stay healthy. Just keep your brain engaged with few activities also that can help you to reduce the stress. Thank you so much. And lastly, if you need further counseling regarding it, if you want to inquire more about your NEET and all, so what you can do, you can contact on this numbers, you can mail us also, and you can visit to our website. Thank you so much and all the best for your NEET preparation.